Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Level English, your daily dose of English immersion.
I sit.
I sit.
Where do you sit?
I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
I do not sit on the floor.
I do not sit on the floor.
When do you sit?
I sit at lunch.
I sit at lunch.
I do not sit all day.
I do not sit all day.
I stand.
I stand.
Where do you stand?
I stand at the bus stop.
I stand at the bus stop.
I do not stand in the road.
I do not stand in the road.
How long do you stand?
I stand for 5 minutes.
I stand for 5 minutes.
I do not stand for hours.
I do not stand for hours.
I lie.
I lie.
Where do you lie?
I lie in bed.
I lie in bed.
I do not lie on the sofa.
I do not lie on the sofa.
When do you lie?
I lie at night.
I lie at night.
I do not lie in the day.
I do not lie in the day.
I eat.
I eat.
What do you eat?
I eat apples.
I eat apples.
I do not eat candy.
I do not eat candy.
Where do you eat?
I eat in the kitchen.
I eat in the kitchen.
I do not eat in my room.
I do not eat in my room.
I drink.
I drink.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
I drink water.
I do not drink coffee.
I do not drink coffee.
When do you drink?
I drink at meals.
I drink at meals.
I do not drink at night.
I do not drink at night.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bed.
I sleep in my bed.
I do not sleep on the floor.
I do not sleep on the floor.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
I do not sleep in the day.
I do not sleep in the day.
I work.
I work.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I do not work at home.
I do not work at home.
When do you work?
I work on Monday.
I work on Monday.
I do not work on Sunday.
I do not work on Sunday.
I study.
I study.
What do you study?
I study English.
I study English.
I do not study math.
I do not study math.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
I study at home.
I do not study at school.
I do not study at school.
I clean.
I clean.
What do you clean?
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I do not clean the car.
I do not clean the car.
When do you clean?
I clean on Saturday.
I clean on Saturday.
I do not clean every day.
I do not clean every day.
I cook.
I cook.
What do you cook?
I cook rice.
I cook rice.
I do not cook meat.
I do not cook meat.
Where do you cook?
I cook in the kitchen.
I cook in the kitchen.
I do not cook in my room.
I do not cook in my room.
Now it's your turn to practice. So let's put what you've learned into action right away. Try to write 3 phrases that you learned in the comments. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to practice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.